filter. First we will put some cotton, pebbles, sand, stones, charcoal and some dirty water. You can see the water is coming out clean. Thank you.
Hi, I am Khwaish Mahapatra. I am here to demonstrate the blow-up balloon experiment, which shows how states of matter can be changed by mixing a solid with a liquid to create gas. First, we have to take a bottle filled with water. Now, we have to put some vinegar into the water. Now, we have to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and put into the balloon. Now, we have to cover the mouth of the bottle with the balloon. When baking soda and vinegar get mixed, it creates chemical reaction which results in formation of CO2. Gases do not have specific space or volume. They expand rapidly in all directions. As CO2 fills the bottle and has no space left to expand, it fills the balloon and balloon gets inflated. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ed Patel. Today I am going to one experiment. Soluble substance and insoluble substance. First, sugar we take, it is dissolving in water. Then, salt we take, it is also dissolving in water. And in these are soluble substance. Coffee powder, sugar, salt are soluble substance. Then insoluble substance. First, I have eraser and one plastic. See, it is also not dissolving in water. So it is called insoluble substance. Then I have coins and some stones. See, it is also not dissolving in water. Then fourth step is I take some oil in one glass. Then see, it is also not dissolving in water. So that insoluble substance and soluble substances like salt, sugar, coffee powder are soluble substance. Then plastic, eraser, then this stones and oil are insoluble substances. Thank you everyone and ma'am.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Vishwa Panchal from 3rd Beta Vindanchal House. Today, I am going to show you an experiment of turmeric. For that, we will need a bowl. We have to add 1 cup of water in it. Like this. And then we will put 2 spoons of turmeric in it. Like this. You can see the color is turning into yellow. And then we will add 1 spoon of detergent in it. Like this. And then we have to stir it. You can see the color is becoming into red. And then we will add 3 spoons of lemon juice in it. Like this. And then stir it. You can see the color is becoming into yellow. This is because turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is yellow in color. Turmeric solution turns reddish brown with base. Turmeric does not change color with acid. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Edita Sarvagya. I am studying in 3rd Alpha. Today we are talking about tornado. Tornado is a funnel cloud. Inside tornado is rotating the air. Let's make the chart tornado. First, for tornado we have to take transparent water empty jar and a dishwash and a measuring spoon. So let's make. First we have to pour the water inside jar. Now we have to put the dishwash in the water. Now we have to shake it up a little bit. How the tornado works.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Maya from 3rd Gamma. Today my experiment is walking water experiment. So we need some glasses and fill with some colored water. Then we have to put some tissue papers. You can see the water is walking from one glass to another. It is because of the capillary action.
If we need to lift heavy load like car, we need lots of manpower and force. But when we use hydraulic crane, we need less manpower and less force. Let's see how. Here is a hydraulic crane. Force applied to liquid in a closed container is transmitted to piston by liquid. This way, piston works on water works on piston and piston works on lever. Conclusion. Pascal law. Force applied to liquid in a container is transmitted to liquid in container of wall of container. Everyone, my name is Arun Mishra from 3rd Beta. My project is about windmill, which is a renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy is source which is not get exhaust when used. My project is a working model of windmill. I am trying to demonstrate how the wind is used for the production of wind electricity. When we blow the air with the help of head air, we can see that the LED lights up because the motor converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. This concept of windmill used in wind turbines that for making the electricity. Thank you.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Jyotishi. I am studying 3rd Gamma in Vapi Public School. Today my experiment is water filter. My experiment is water filter at home. So, to make this water filter, we need these materials. Cotton, piece of cloth, some gravel and fine sand and some muddy water. First, we need a bottle and cut it from the bottom and put the funnel like this. So, in funnel put cotton. Then piece of cloth. Then put some gravel in the funnel. Put some fine sand. put this funnel into bottle like this. And last, pour this muddy water into the funnel.
Okay, mama. Okay.
Now can you see this muddy water come like a pure water?
Okay.
We get the pure water from muddy water. Thank you.